Although pivot tables are helpful for analyzing data, you may want to display the data in chart format. To create a pivot chart from the current pivot table, click on Pivot Chart from the Analyze Contextual tab. Select the type of chart you want to use and click on OK. Because the current data is added together into a grand total, a pie chart is a good choice. Filters are applied to the chart so that you can easily select or deselect fields. Uncheck the fields you do not want to display on the chart. As with pivot tables, you are using a copy of the original range and will not delete data by deselecting it. Pivot charts can be formatted like other charts and display the Quick Tools buttons for easy editing. See the course on Charts and Graphs for more information. For more videos like this, subscribe to the Savvy YouTube channel today. And if you need a complete library of training content written specifically for the legal industry, consider the Savvy Smart Content Library. Visit savvytraining.com for more information.